Alright guys, whew! I'm gonna go in the ice cold water in hopes of it soothing my muscles, guys. Look at Jess way out there. Ooh, the sun is out. Sun's out, cold's out. What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. I'm using the DJI Action 5 Pro with the DJI Mic Mini right here, guys. And yeah, check it out. We're over here near Sugi Grove, over here at the stream, just taking in the fresh air that I needed for a long time, guys. But one of the main reasons why we came here, because of the ice cold water for all my muscles. My muscles are all inflamed, so I want to take a cold dip, guys. A cold dip. Look at that. So I got my nephew over here, kiddos roaming around, and Jess way over there setting her traps. So yeah, I hope the audio's pretty good. I'm pretty sure it is. All right, let's see here. I'll show you guys our base. We have the pop-up tent also, but I don't think we'll need it, guys. If we do, it's just right there in the back of the truck. But yeah, someone already made a little bonfire pit. That's our hibachi grill there. So we're gonna, cook some meat that we picked up on the way here. Ethan and Eliza over there. So yeah, beautiful, guys. I'll show you guys where I'm gonna enter right over here, guys. Woo! My nose is running a little bit, but that's not gonna stop me. Right, guys? I'm vlogging.
Yes.
The cold water is gonna hopefully help my muscles. Yeah, what do you call that? Ice bath? Yeah. Ice bath, guys. Woohoo. All right. Okay, Jess, what's up?
Making the fire, so it's not gonna be cool.
Your nose is dripping. His nose is dripping on here. Give me.
This is the food we had at the...
Nitoy, come here. Look. Missy.
I'm showing you
Now you're ready to fire.
All right, guys, we're ready to fire.
Fire. Oh, you're cracking the button.
I know.
Power. Little mini thing.
Cool. All right, guys, here we go. Oh, I can't even press it. It's so cold. What happened? Now you guys can talk.
Oh, so that was wrong.
Yes, the one that asked the bunch of the one with glasses.
Yes.
The Sigma looking one?
Interview.
I
How are
like
you?
Give me. Oh. No, I'm gonna interview him. Okay.
Oh, I don't want to be in it.
Go ahead.
How far do I need to be? There's crumbs on it.
Regular mic.
Okay. Let's interview.
I don't know.
Here you go.
What's your name?
Oh, Jessie, why?
Oh,
And what's your occupation?
Housekeeping.
It's all I get inside is a strap.
What's Nathaniel's getting ran over?
It's all I get inside.
And what are you currently doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Right now,
Yes.
I cutting onion.
What are you cooking?
Soup with sardines and long beans and I don't know what you call that vegetable.
Okay.
Squash.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a squash.
Passing the mic onto someone very prideful. Here you go. Take your mic.
what's your name? What's your book?
What?
How do I turn this thing off? Oh, is it?
It's so cute, so fuzzy. Oh, you do your ASMR.
Oh my god.
Hey, don't turn it off. Don't turn it off. What are you
I
doing?
didn't turn it off.
Oh.
I was feeling it.
Oh my God, let's go.
Come over here now. Nathaniel, what you do?
Nathaniel,
It's cold. I didn't go in the sun.
you know this song?
Good job. Hi, Jess.
Hello.
So, it is Jessie's cooking corner over here.
Cooking corner.
We're not really in a corner, but
And this is solid like the corner.
kind of.
Nice corner.
Jessie's cooking outdoor action.
Outdoor. I like to cook outdoor. Save electric. Save gas.
Okay.
Save money.
So tell everybody what you're gonna cook today again.
I'm gonna cook something like where's my noodles? Right here. With the soup with this sardines, of course. And this is just like a mini squash.
mini squash.
And in the Filipino call is kabatiti.
Yeah.
And then I will put this along rice a little bit. Yeah, that's it. Making soup because it's cold right here, so I need hot soup.
All right.
First, we're gonna go get our extra virgin oil. Just put a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, and then we're gonna wait until it got a little bit hot. Yeah. So we're gonna wait. Here's
Wow.
something now. We're gonna go put our garlic. Romeo's cutting earlier. Oh, I like the smell. Smell of the garlic.
Ooh. That sounds good.
Smell good. Yeah, cook it until a little bit brownish. Yeah. Now I'm full of smoke right here in the fire pit. Turns to me nice. And then you can put your onion. I like that. Oh,
Ooh, that sounds good, Jess.
sounds good.
And it smells good.
Smell good, sounds good. Oh. Smell good. Ooh, I like it. I like the smell.
Yeah.
Yeah. The next is we're gonna open our Lego sardines. Philippines Lego sardines. Of course, I like the green and I will mix it with a hot one. No, hot sardines. Oh yeah, I like the sound. Using the sabaw. I like it. Smell good. Hold on, my paper towel is keep moving around. Just keep still. Yeah. So now we're gonna go put our water. But of course, I need something like, yeah. I like this one. My water's better. Sabaw. Put some more. Good. More. Then we gotta leave it boil. Brush right here.
Good job, Jess.
It's not cooking. I'm full of smoke already. Ala. Ooh. I'm gonna wash my stuff because I like to open the apple.
Oh, okay.
I got right here, I go dishwashing right here in the river. Of course, you gotta be very careful, slow. This is how we do in the Philippines. And then you go laba. Laba and wash. Hoy, where you going? Okay, right here. It's all clean. You wash it good. Free water. Okay. Now I'm gonna go make my apple. First. It's a bit dirty. How do I wash? Wash. Okay, that's it. Ooh, I gotta clean up the one. Nice. I don't have the stuff, but I like to make it like this way already.
Oh, you gonna take out the skin?
Yes. Take out the skin.
Sauce.
Yes, I don't know, the kids, they don't like the skin though.
Oh, okay.
I just go take out the skin.
All right, don't make it wet now, Nitoy. Good job.
Yeah, good job.
Good job.
Wow, Nathaniel.
Woohoo! Is anybody there?
Nobody here.
Nobody there?
No. There's not wood there though.
Good job. All right.
Oh, no, nobody there. Hold on.
That's a cow.
No, it's
Let
like
me.
your car.
What's that, money?
Huh?
Where's the machine?
Hold on,
It's playing Zelda.
Oh, yan.
Mom,
Yan.
Huh? Plants.
It's okay, son.
It's gonna spread.
No, it's not.
Mom, can I cut these? Mine smells so good.
Huh?
Sorry, little man, but we're gonna cook you up.
Wow, Jess.
Nito, we got apples. Yeah, we got apples.
For my grill.
You're having fun, huh? This is like a torch.
Yeah.
Watch out.
Mom,
Oh,
you gonna catch all the
This is for grill master professional.
Oh, okay.
Let it go.
Wow.
No, Jess. Enough.
Mom, enough already. You're catching all the plants on fire.
look, can I put? No, your hand's dirty. No, dirty.
Give Nathaniel the apple. He likes the apple.
I get it.
Nathaniel, there's another truck.
Oh,
Let him grab it.
This is our friend Jeremy.
Watch out. That's
Grab
Mr. Krabby.
He's gonna go back into his home.
No, grab it. Oh.
That's what he gets for twerking on me.
That's what he get. What happened?
Oops. Is that long race?
Yeah.
All right.
That's how.
Oh my goodness.
Right on.
Yeah, you don't know. Nathaniel, do you want a hot dog?
Hey, Nathaniel, come.
Watch out. Don't make it.
Tell me when to stop, bro.
You have to dig in.
You're mixing the top.
You're just like, oh my god.
Listen up.
Oh, it's too dark.
Let it cook now.
Ay, nako. Don't do that.
What's that?
Sorry, Mommy. I got a bit.
Ready?
Hola.
It's okay, you have a bunch more.
Did he see that?
Sound.
Go ahead.
Go, Indian call, Nathaniel. Indian.
Oh, you're supposed to melt it.
Oh, that's good. That.
No, that's good. Very last but grab your fork. Take your fork.
Oh, I got so good. Good job, Jess.